As you can see, this is our previous lab practice that we have go through together so far with adding devices to our GNS3. We have FortiGate, we have MicroTech, we have Checkpoint. And today with all, we also continue on the Cisco. So we have here our router, we have MicroTech and Cisco. Switch, we have MicroTech, and then we have Checkpoint, ASA, and FortiGate. I already add the ASA, Cisco ASA to my GNS3. So actually, the same what we call the same step that we can add ASA. Okay, to recap how to add. So just show you a little bit. We click on new template here, install, apply on GNS3 server, recommended, click on next. We select on the firewall category, and then you can see this is the Cisco ASA. We install on GNS3 VM, click on next. So it will come to this available version that support for this GNS3. So it can support up to this version. And to me, I already I have only this version, so I already installed. Just want to show you, okay? So this is my version that I have right now. If you have the later version, maybe you can add to your GNS3, okay? But to me, I have only this version, so I use this version, okay? So I cancel because I already add to the GNS3. And here, my ASA. So the logo here, you can, if you want to change the logo here, you right click on it, configure template. You see symbol here, you can browse, and then you can select which logo that you prefer, okay? So which logo that you prefer, you can select. For me, I select this one. This is the logo that I use. Or you can customize your own logo and you upload. Okay. So network, I have 8 port. Okay. This category security device. Okay. So now I have my ASA here. Cisco ASA, so we bring in to our lab, and then I connect this port. Okay, so I start my ASA and then console. Okay, so wait for a moment. This it need to reboot 2 times for ASA. Okay, so today with all, what we focus is that we want to configure this ASA using the one software from ASA that we can manage using the interface. Okay, similar to Checkpoint. We have web management, and then another software for Checkpoint is the, as you can see, Smart Console here. Okay, this is for Checkpoint. And then for ASA, we also have the software, we call it ASDM. Okay, so let's wait for the ASA to start up. Okay, now finish the startup. As you can see now, first time we need to enable, okay, password, no password, okay. So interface IP brief, okay. So I have nothing here. What we want to do is that we want to set IP address for this interface here, okay, and then we can let me check one moment. I want to check my IP address, IP config. Now my IP address is here. My Wi-Fi IP address rank, this network. Okay, this is my default gateway. This is subnet mask. Okay, so let's try to ping 172.20.10.2. Okay, because 1 is my gateway, so I want to use 2. Okay. Okay, so confirm, we can use that IP. So now we assign this IP address is 172.20.10.2. Subnet mask 240. 240 is the /28. Okay. Okay. So now we go back to our ASA here. We configure no interface G0/0 IP address 172.20.10.2 255.255.255.240. Okay, subnet mask. Let me verify. Okay, 240 IP address 2. Okay. Okay, and then we need to specify this interface. Specify the rule for this interface. So right now we have connect this port to our cloud here. So it means that we want to allow our ASA to connect to the internet through this. Okay, so it means that this one we will call it outside interface. Okay, so in ASA you need to specify outside, inside, and DMZ. Okay, so we need one more command, name if out. Okay, so when we set it the outside interface, the security level for out is to 0 by default. Okay, so we can keep it like that. And then let's try one more command, no sat. Okay, So now we have so we save the configuration. Now we have set the IP address to this IP address. So in the first IP brief, okay, as you can see here, we have IP address, our port is up. Let's go back to our command prompt here. Let's try to ping again. Okay, so now we can communicate with our ASA. Okay, so in order to access this ASA, we need to go back to our configuration, and then we need to enable HTTP server enable. Okay, and then we want to access this ASA through this IP address. So we need one more command, HTTP. Our network just now is that 172.20.10.0 netmask 255. 255.255.255.254. Okay, and then through our outgoing interface, just now we assigned to this gigabit 0/0. Okay, done. And then we need to have username, password. Okay, so username, let's say my name, Kirivann. Privilege, so I give highest privilege. It means that full access to my ASA. Okay, so username Kirivann, and then password I say Kirivann. Okay, take it simple like that. Okay, so now I enable HTTP server to access through this gigabit 0/0 here. Okay, by this network. Okay, and then I have username, password here. Okay, so enable run. Okay, so run. Okay, so now I have gigabit 0/0 outgoing interface. Security level is 0 by default. This is my IP address. Okay, and then the rest is no configuration. Okay, no configuration. Okay, and then here we have HTTP enable. Okay, and then what else we have? Okay, let's see, we go continue. Okay, so now we can ping to our ASA. Let's bring up our browser 172.20.10.2. Let's try to log in. Okay, let me try HTTPS. Okay, so now it not recognize just now, and then I add in HTTPS like that, so we can access. Okay, continue. Okay, so now when we press on the proceed, we come up with this page like that. Okay, so this is the purpose that we want to do for today video. We want to connect our ASA using ASDM. Okay, so by default the ASA now we can download from it. So before we can get to here, remember to recap again. We need to, what step we need to do. So okay, we need to assign IP address, and then we need to enable HTTP server and allow our network to access through our interface here. Okay, so we give this interface gigabit 0/0 as outgoing interface. Okay, and then now we can access through web browser here. So we try to click on here, install Java web start. Okay, we press on it. Let's see. Okay, so now we need to download Java for desktop. Let's try to download. Okay, download. Okay, we click on it to install. Okay, install. Okay, successfully. And then we go back, install ASDM Launcher. Okay, so when we click on it, it's required to have username password. So our username password just now we create is Kirivann. Let me try to sign in. Okay, so now I have this file here. Let's try to click on it. Okay, so it showed me the welcome page. So we click on next to continue. Okay, let's next, and then ready to install ASDM. Okay, okay, one moment, I need another okay, what is the error just now? Let me minimize, and then minimize, and then as you can see we have this Cisco ASDM. Okay, let's try to start the software just now. Okay, our IP address 2010.2, username, password also Kirivann. I click on OK. Connect this website is untrusted. Okay, verify. Continue. Okay, this is just a message from ASA that I don't have any license. Okay. Okay, everyone. So now we can connect our ASA here using this software, Cisco ASDM. So we can play around with this. Okay, we can play around with this software, and later on we can have more practice on this ASA as well. Okay, so to recap again on this ASA right here, we can if you are familiar with command line and expert on ASA, you can use command line here. If you to me, I'm not an expert, so I prefer user interface. So we can play around with this user interface. Okay, so I hope you understand and can go through how we can connect our ASA using this Cisco ASDM software to manage our ASA firewall here. Okay. So if you have any other question or comment, just let me know and comment in my video, and I see you with my next video. Thank you.